My name is Kevin Bohan. I'm responsible for product marketing for TIBCO's integration technology. TIBCO is a leader in the integration space. We've been in the business for over 20 years, and we have a platform that offers a number of different capabilities around the integration space. So it goes beyond traditional integration to include things around data governance with our master data management technologies, as well as the providing context to your business processes and allowing you to have more effective processes by using real-time information to enhance the effectiveness of those processes. There's a number of different drivers that are changing around how integration works today. Cloud is certainly one of those. Companies are now using technologies that are based in the cloud, yet they also have infrastructure within inside of the organization they need to tie that into. So the challenge today is integrating the SaaS-based offerings with the infrastructure that they've been using traditionally for years inside. So the integration technology we offer allows that hybrid approach to integration. Well, the volume is increasing significantly, so cloud is a big part of that, but also social as well as mobile is adding significantly to the volume. So there's a lot of talk in the industry around big data, but what we look at it is there's really not an issue around big data, but something we like to refer to as fast data. And what that is allowing you to analyze the information in real time and act upon opportunities or threats that are found within inside of that data. So if you think about data as having a useful shelf life, if you're not able to respond in a certain amount of time, the usefulness you deem from that information is lost. So a lot of vendors, what they do is they'll take the information in, store the information within inside of a data warehouse, and then run queries against that. And all of that takes time, and you're losing the opportunity to perhaps interact with a customer who's trying to make a decision on which product to buy. So being able to respond in real time allows you to influence the outcome of what's about to happen, as opposed to knowing what did happen. And that's what we refer to as big data. There's a number of, I just mentioned the use case around retail and someone making a buy decision. Another example is we work with a large train system in Europe, actually one of the largest systems in Europe, and their big challenge is the density on the rails. They have a lot of trains that are using the same rails, and if one train doesn't make it to a switch in a certain time, then the other train has to stop to wait for them to pass by that switch. Now a train starting from a dead stop to get moving takes about the same energy as powering 4 households for an entire year. So you can imagine that's a lot of energy. So using our information, they're able to track the progress of the trains and send real-time information to the conductors to slow the train down so they don't have to come to a complete stop, but rather they're approaching the intersection or the switch on the train rails as it's being freed up. So they're able to eliminate 2,500 stops in a single day on average. So if you think about it over the course of a year, you're talking tens of thousands of, the equivalent energy of tens of thousands of homes that they're saving using our technology. So it's really impressive things you can do in all verticals. We believe TIBCO is unique for a number of different reasons. First of all, the ability that we have to integrate a number of different data sources and make that data available and actionable. So we can bring in different information from your cloud sources of information, your on-premise sources, but also B2B sources, so data that might exist in other partners' information and various sources from there. So being able to bridge all those sources is unique. Also, being able to provide data governance around the information that we're bringing together so you have quality data to act on. You don't have duplicate data, but you have a single source of the truth. Then what we do is we use context around that data to influence how your business processes run. So you can change the resource allocations to make sure you respond to certain service level agreements in time and things like that. But another key area that we have is allowing you to monetize the data. And the way we do that is leveraging APIs. What you can do is expose APIs to business partners, allowing them to leverage your data as well, or allowing you to leverage the services that you've created around your integration. So now you can basically have new sources of revenue, leveraging or exposing open APIs into the market. In addition to that, what we are able to do is provide advanced analytics. We have one of the most advanced analytics systems in the market. So now leveraging the data that's coming in real time, you can analyze what's happening and spot trends, and then using your own experience in the industry, combined with those trends that you see, you can model real-time responses, allowing you to influence the outcome of what's about to happen, whether that's an opportunity or a threat, and giving you a competitive advantage in the market. There's a number of different locations you can find information. The best and easiest is probably going to TIBCO.com, so it's www.tibco.com. But then there's also a partner community, so developers can go out there, ask questions, exchange ideas with the community, so that's TIB community. And there's a number of other sources as well, but those are the two best sources to go to.